Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for Beginners. Today we're going to learn how to create a table in HTML website in a very simple way. As you can see, we created a store schedule table into our HTML website. How are you going to create it in our HTML inside? Let's get started. So as you can see, we added into the body section H3 tag or the heading, and this heading is lead to this store schedule. And then we can create another table. It's called table tag, and into the table tag we can simply create table row as you know, and into the table row we can simply add table head, or we can add th, because as we can see into the heading section, it's a table heading. You can see, so into the table heading section we can simply add the th tag, and into the th tag we can simply add Sunday, and after that we can simply copy it, and then what we can do, can simply paste them one by one. You can simply can recognize we will add the 7 days. So first one is the Sunday, and then Monday, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So as you can see, we added a table header, so it's going to remove it like this. And as you can see, if we now refresh it, like we're going to open in a new browser, and if we just scroll down a little bit, before that we're going to save it, and if we just open a new browser over here, you can see we simply added this table header into our HTML website. So now what we can do, we can simply added the table row, and we're going to create another table row open tag. In the table row tag we can simply add td tag. It's mentioning the table data. So as you can see in this registry editor, this is the table data over here that called closed, open, 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 closed. So it's a table data. So for that we can simply add the td tag, and into the td tag we can simply add closed, and then we can copy it like this, and we can simply add more 6 over here like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we can simply add here 9 to 5, 9 to 5, and as you can see into the Sunday it will be closed 9 to 5. We can simply copy one of them, can simply copy it, and I'm going to paste it over here like this, and after that we can simply save it. And now if we go into the registry editor, you can see we simply refresh it, and as we can see that into the Sunday it's closed, Monday is 9 to 5, and in the Friday it's closed, and the Saturday it will be 9 to 5. So we'll have to add another one, td tag, and here we can simply add 9 to 5. Sorry, what's it's showing, it's td tag, we need it, and we're going to close our td tag like this. So basically what we did over here, we added a table tag into these sections, and then we added tr tag, and then we close the tr tag with the table header tag, and then we added td tag into the tr tag, and then we literally made this kind of store schedule over here like this, as you can see. So we can save it, and if we just refresh here, we can simply here we can get the all the details, all the table data and the table headers. And now what we can do, we can simply add a color into this table header section and the table data section. So how are we going to add it? We can simply come over into the tiered open tag, and here we can simply type bg color. We can add it with this sky blue, and then if we just save it, and now if we just refresh it, as you can see, it's added with the sky blue. And now we will going to add the table data section color. So how are we going to do it? We're going to do it a very simple way. You can simply type over here bg color, and then we can simply add green, as you can see. And then if we can save it, and as you can see, if you refresh it, it's all looking like this. It's looking very harsh, so we can simply add here orange color, and we can save it. And if we just refresh it, as you can see that our table data or the store schedule that we created the table into the HTML in a very simple way like this. The before one is looks like this, but the after one looks like this. If you want to color any specific section, like I'm going to color red into this closed section, for that what we can do, we can simply open the td tag in the closed attribute. As you can see, we can open the td tag, and then we can simply add the bg color red over here, and we can do the same for the closed sections over here, bg color. I'm going to click on red, and then going to save it. And now if we just open if we just you can see, if we refresh it or load it, you can see into the Sunday section it's closed, Friday closed, into the closed section it's colored with red. So this is how we can create table in your HTML website. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.